Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I transformed my wig from being a fringe wig to a closure wig. Yes guys, so I had this fringe wig and I got tired of wearing it as a fringe wig, so I decided to turn it into a closure wig, and I got a closure and did that. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, it's a girl Genevieve. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. So guys, in this video I already told you what I was gonna do in the intro. Alright, so this is the closure I got. It's not really a full match for the hair that I already have, but then it's a bit close to it. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna be using it for this tutorial. Okay, so first of all, I went ahead to lose the fringe part of the wig, and then afterwards I'm going in to soak down the closure onto the wig cap. You can always change the looks of your wig. Okay, you don't have to have one wig and then always wear it that way. If you're tired of wearing your wig a particular way, you can always change it. All you need to do is either you get an extra extension to add, or you remove. Like in this my situation, I only had to get a closure, and after doing this hair, nobody's gonna know that it was that fringe that I turned into a closure. So it's gonna look like an entirely different hair. You get that right? Okay guys, so if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button to get subscribed, and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified on any of my new uploads. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment good stuff on the comment section, and then share this video to support me. You don't know who already have a wig that she's tired of wearing because it's a particular style, that would want to change it into something different. Okay, so maybe when the person says this, the person might be motivated to change the looks. Okay, all right, thank you so much. If you've done that, I appreciate you. God bless you. And for my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you for always coming back. Thank you so much. May God bless you and bless all your endeavors real good. And please don't also forget to like this video, comment good thoughts in the comment section, and share to keep supporting me. God bless you. Alright guys, afterwards, after sewing down this closure, I'll go on to sew down some of the extensions I loosed out when I loosed the fringes. Remember, when I loosed the fringes, there are some extensions that I loosed out. Okay, so I kept them aside. So when I was done sewing down the closure, I go ahead to use them to sew down to cover up any space in the cap. Okay, so that's just how you're gonna achieve your closure wig. Okay, so it's that simple. It's very easy. You don't even need to go to a salon to do this. You just have to have your needle and thread, and then if you have a mannequin head, good, you just do it yourself. Okay, but if you cannot do it yourself, you can always take it to a salon or anybody that makes wigs to do that for you. Okay, and you get a new wig entirely, a different wig entirely, that nobody's gonna know that that was the same previous wig that you already had. You get that right? Like, you get the point, right? Okay guys, so I'll just allow you to watch and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so when I was done sewing down the extensions, I went ahead to cut the cap underneath the closure. Okay, so we want to have a seamless look, we want to have a natural look. Okay, you don't want to leave this cap, okay, because it's dark. Okay, it's not really going to look good when you left it there. Okay, so you just have to cut it out with the scissors, but when you're cutting this, you have to be very careful not to cut your closure. Okay, not to cut the net. All right, so just be very careful while cutting this. And afterwards, I am going to the fun part. Like, I have a fun part in making this wig, which is the coiling part. All right, you'll see that in a moment.
Let you walk in my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. Wanna show you.
So guys, in here I have my leave-in conditioner and water. Okay, so I'm going to use it to revive the curls of this hair. Okay, this hair is actually a curly hair, but it's sort of a kinky curl hair. Okay, so I'm going to revive the curls by using this water and leave-in conditioner. So guys, this is how it's looking like. The chorus is popping already. I am loving this. Like, it's so beautiful. Alright guys, are you seeing that closure? Like, the chorus in the closure pops more than that of the kinky hair. Okay guys, but I love this hair and I'm gonna be wearing it more often now because, yeah guys, why not? Alright guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you, but God loves you more. Peace.